Hey, Shane Matheny here with GSG. It's a really well-known fact that anytime you can get a demo of a message center in front of one of the end users, you're going to close that deal. Please feel free to reach out to us and ask for us to come do an end user demo with you and your customer. Take advantage of this trailer that we have here to help you close more deals. Feel free to take advantage of this demo trailer. Reach out to your sign sales rep, schedule a time for him to come out and meet with you and your customer. For more information, reach out to anyone here at GSG or go to gogsg.com to answer any questions.